guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amal, and in this video as well, if you can see, today I'm here in Adopt Me. Usually I don't really do gaming videos, but today I thought as it is my favorite game, so why not? So in this video I'm going to be seeing what people offer for my neon unicorn cherry. Her name is Cherry, and guys, please don't judge my house. I literally just bought it yesterday, and I wanted to do a video where I decorate it with you guys. So yeah, let's teleport to gifts. Hopefully this is a rich server, cause I prefer rich servers. It's easier to trade your pets in. Oh, okay, my trades are on. Ooh, somebody has a diamond dragon. Oh, wow. Somebody has a neon golden dragon. Oh my god. This server is like, wow. Oh my, okay. Somebody just send me a trade request and let's see what happens. Um, a guardian lion, a dragon, a flyer dragon, a normal robo dog, a snow owl, and can you add please? Mine is like a neon. I'm sorry, but that's under. No, oh my god. Somebody has a shadow dragon. Guys, that's like my dream pet. Can I offer? I'll need to ask him right now. Can I offer? Oh no, my god. They left. I'm so sad right now. That's like my dream pet, and it's so hard to get. Literally, no one has that. Oh, that's the same offer than before. Okay, let me write in the chat. Trading neon unicorn. So, to make it official that I'm trading one. Somebody has an Arctic reindeer. Can I offer? Okay, let me see what happens. I want to offer for that. I think that person's AFK, but that's fine, never mind. Okay, no one sent me a trade request. Let me try to do that again. Okay, somebody just sent me a trade request. Okay. Anyone like, does anyone want to? Okay, that person is back, I think so. I'm gonna offer 4. Okay, I'm not the best at, like, how about a golden griffin? Oopsie, why did I add that? That's a good offer. I mean, I don't know, I literally have no clue what Arctic reindeers are worth. I don't know why, but never mind. Okay, so would anyone like to offer? It's time for school. Let me write again. Trading neon unicorn. Trading neon unicorn. Anyone? Oh my god, there's so many people with the grappling hooks thingies. I literally have no clue what they are called. I have a few of them. I'll show it to you guys. Yeah, these. Okay. Guys, my dream pet is a shadow dragon. Like, I love them so much. Trading neon unicorn. I use super exclusive Yeti? What? What is super exclusive? Okay, that's a scammer, right? Oh my god, I need to offer for that. Okay, let me write. Can I offer? Okay, somebody sent me a trade request. Never mind. I'm okay. Sorry, but no. Okay, that person only is trusted. I mean, please, can you send me a trade request? Please. Never mind. Okay, let me put my neon unicorn down. What is that? Oh, I'm really sorry, but no. offer exclusive yet. Yeah, like I want to know what that is. Okay, now. Um, Let me write one last. Okay, somebody just sent me a request. Hopefully, this is a real offer. Oh my god, a golden unicorn. I'm gonna offer a gold this and a metal. Okay, this is a teen. Oh my god. Is this a teen? Yeah. I only want to trade my newborn because I'm making a mega lunar rocks. That's why. Please accept. Are they saying something? Okay, they're asking me to add a pet. I'm adding. Okay, that's rude, but never mind. I hate when people don't give you the time to add. And somebody has an Arctic reindeer. Okay. To be honest, no one's really sending me a trade request, but I could show you guys one more cool thing. Let's go shopping. I'll get some pet wear. I was expecting this to, I was expecting that people would give a really good offer for Neon Unicorn, but not a good offer at all. Okay, let's oopsie. Oh my god, this is cute. An orange backpack. Oh my god. Sketchbook. Okay, somebody just sent me a trade request. Never mind. Oh. An ox. Bandicoot. Oh my god. Ooh. I don't know about this. Okay, definitely not worth it. I'm sorry, but I would have to decline. Okay, let's see this. The pet wear again. A nest. Okay, bee wings, rain boots, umbrella hat, orange backpack. Okay, not really a fan of the pet wear that much. Let's go again and see what people offer. Please hurry up. Oh my god, why do I always get stuck? Okay, I'm back. Never mind. Trading. Neon unicorn. Okay, somebody just sent me a trade request. Wait, what? They're trading with somebody else. Fine, never mind. I hate when that happens. Trading neon unicorn. Please, seriously, would anyone like to? I really want an Arctic reindeer. It's one of my favorite pets. But still, I'm not going trading my neon unicorn for that. Okay. 3, 4. Okay, 4 frogs. I'm making a neon right now. And I could give them 4 Luna rocks. Oh, their oxes confuse me so much. Oh my god, they decline. Never mind. I hate when people decline. That's so sad. Trading. I literally said that 100 times. Trading neon unicorn. Would anyone like to offer, please? Oh, what if I re-offer for the Arctic rain? Okay, somebody send me a trade request. Let's see. A riding Cerberus. Named it Wolf. A kitsune, a fossil egg, and please add. Okay, a riding bee. Are they gonna add? Okay, I'm sorry, but that's not a good trade. I don't think that's fair because mine's like fly and ride both. Somebody has a neon wolf and named it Gucci. How cute. Okay, what can I do? The scammer again. Trading. neon unicorn. Trading neon unicorn. Like literally, would anyone like to offer an ice cream truck? I mean, I do have nothing to do right now because I pretty much traded like everybody who offered for my, I mean, neon unicorn. But there's one thing I can do, guys. I can show you guys a secret hospital room. It's perfect for hide and seek. I mean, yeah, sure, why not? So for this glitch, you would need a stroller. Where's my strollers? Okay, I don't have a lot. All of my vehicles and strollers, I just like trade for pets because I prefer that. You see, you do like that, and oh my, look, guys, there's a secret hospital room. And then you need to go out. You could just teleport somewhere. Please hurry up. Why does this always happen to me? Oh my god, not again. Let me teleport again. I hate that. Is that a neon polar bear? No, that's bull. For a second, I thought. Guys, I'm making a neon polar bear. I just need one more. Like, only one more. Trading neon unicorn. Trading neon unicorn. Would anyone like to offer? Okay, no one's interested. I think we'll just go to my house. Okay, somebody just sent me a trade request. A fly king bee. Oreo, a panda. It's so cute. Oreo. I could offer for that. I mean, sure. Okay, what did it add? An emu. I guess I could offer that. Oh, they took out the king bee. That was the only thing I was like interested in. Oh, let me stop my ride. Let's go to my house. Okay. So guys, this was it for my video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. So this was kind of a fail video because I didn't really get a good trade. I mean, I did get a few, but none of them I liked. So yeah, this was it. I'll see you guys in the next videos. Till then, bye.